Hello, all Patines. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, good, and safe at your home. Welcome for today's science class in 6th. We are on chapter 2nd and on the topic nutrients and type of nutrients. We are going to study in this chapter. We are on the part 2nd, that is components of our food. Many nutrients are required for our food. Many nutrients such as carbohydrate, vitamins, minerals are required. So under this topic nutrient, we will study them one by one with their sources also. In the deficiency of disease, we will study the deficiency of vitamins and minerals in the human. So we will take them one by one. In the first part, we will take only nutrients and its component. As we all know, nutrients provide us energy. And without nutrients, without food, a human cannot survive. So to get the energy, proper nutrients are required. So let's take this topic in detail with their components. First topic is vitamin D. A very good source of vitamin D is sunlight. When we go in the sunlight, we get all the vitamin D required. One more source of vitamin D is liver oil. We can get the nutrients from liver oil also. An adult needs 100 IU of a vitamin D and a pregnant lady needs 400 IU and an infant needs 200 IU. And vitamin D, we are getting directly to our epithelial cell and their metabolism will take place in the cell only. So main function of vitamin D is to increase the intestinal absorption of calcium and phosphate in the cells and even in bones also. So deficiency of vitamin D leads to the rickets in children where the legs become of bow shape and in adults osteomalacia can occur and excess and inadequate mineralization of bones will take place and inadequate mineralization of bones take place in the adult in osteomalacia. If excess of vitamin D we will take, immediate effect will show, that is thirst, nausea, constipation, pylorrhea, nausea, vomiting and even diarrhea. So, delay effects are hyperglycemia, erythrolysis, metallic calcification, scardosis. These are when the vitamin level is increased, then it occurs. This is not in your syllabus, but this is only for your GK. Okay, let's talk about the vitamins. Vitamin B1 we are talking about first. That is, add whole grain food, nuts, leguminous and seeds to your diet to get more vitamin B1. Let's talk about vitamin B2. Good food source of vitamin B2 includes the dairy products, that is milk and other products, fish and dark greens, that is vegetables. Let's talk about vitamin B3. Sweet potatoes, carrot and eggs are good food source of vitamin B3. And vitamin B5 we are talking about as whole grain, cereals, leguminous, avocados, yogurt to your diet to get more vitamin B5. Let's talk about vitamin B6. Intake of vitamin B6 will be includes banana, beaver yeast, leguminous and eggs. Let's talk about vitamin B9 with the cereals and pulses. And let's talk about vitamin B12, that is enhances your intake of vitamin B12 foods by including eggs, dairy products, poultry and fish. All these vitamin B will increases the mucus layer by epithelial cell and lining of different tissues in the respiratory system. The lungs will be formed with the mucus layer with these vitamins, and in the kidney also the mucus layer will form. Let's talk about one more vitamin, that is vitamin A, and provitamin A is also known as carotenoid, and vitamin A performed is called retinol. This is for your general knowledge because you only are aware with the vitamin A only. Okay, let's talk about more. With vitamin A, cornea is developed and your eyesight is improved. So for better eyesight, we should take vitamin A in our diets. Its deficiency leads to the blindness, growth retardation and morbidity. So we should take vitamin A because your deficiency we all are getting, and it affect and maintain the part and organs of our body, and it's night blindness and your eyesight become weak and you have to visit the doctors, and the immunity will also become very weak. So we should take proper diet of vitamin A by taking milk, fish, egg yogurt, egg yolk, yellow vegetables, mango, papaya, carrots. You must take in your diet to increase the vitamin A level, and green leafy vegetable also. So that's all for vitamin A. Let's talk about vitamin C now. Vitamin C itself increases the immunity of the person, and antioxidants are also prepared which fight against the germs. So let's talk about the main uses. Iron absorption, prevent infection, control inflammation are the major function that is done by vitamin B-C. A decrease in vitamin C decreases the blood pressure of the patient. So proper diet should be taken to increase the vitamin C, and it is there in the citric fruits such as amla, oranges, guava, cabbage, pears, green chilies and cabbage. If you wash these fruits after cutting them and or making the pickles, will decrease 60% of vitamin C. Yes, 60% of vitamin C is decreased if you are cutting them and washing them afterwards. So their deficiency will lead to scurvy, fatigue, weakness, muscle cramps, low immunity, bleeding gums, depression, hypotension, poor performance and delay in wound healing. That means your wounds will not be healed soon if the vitamin C deficiency will be there. So that's for vitamin C. Okay, and we have done in this video all the vitamins. Just see this video once again so that you can get all the good sources knowledge. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day. Stay safe.